Hello everyone, wish you a very healthy good morning. This side Akrish Jindal, student of BCA 3rd year. My topic is Indian culture and best practices to fight against coronavirus. India is a home to over a billion people and the country is known all over the world for its various tradition and its culture. Indian tradition of washing hands before and after doing anything. Washing our hands before and after meal, after using toilet just to maintain personal hygiene. Indian greeting process is named as Namaste. Namaste is combination of Nama and Te. Nama brings down all your ego that we all are same and we all are one. With our fight with coronavirus, this greeting process helps us to avoid direct transmission of virus through touch. When a person is sneezing, then he/she must use a disposable tissue or hanky. If we don't have access to such stuff, then we must cover it with our elbow instead of using our hands. Indian families always maintain a different pairs of slipper for indoor and outdoor use. We must avoid going to crowded places and if it's urgent then we must wear a mask, sanitize our hand regularly. We must avoid touching our eyes, ears, nose and mouth again and again. India is a home to World Supreme Natural Healthcare Center. It is combination of Ayurveda, Yoga, Yajna. Ayurveda recommend us to eat moderately. Do not overeat. It suggests us to avoid processed and packed food. Improve your diet. Grow your own veggies in your backyard garden. It also suggests to cook food with ginger, turmeric, cumin and black pepper for strong immunity system. We must breathe deeply, stretch and practice yoga asanas daily. This will help us to reduce stress, promote healthy and happy life. The Government of India developed a mobile application named as Arogya Setu. Arogya means living a healthy life without disease. Setu means path that leads to peace. App was designed to control the spread of coronavirus and help people to access the information easily. This app was developed on 2nd April 2020. This app is available in 12 different languages. Languages is a roadmap of a culture. It tells you where its people are coming from and where they are going. In the last, I want to conclude that one must always maintain a habit to adapt things because the steps which we are taking now are always taught to us since ages. Thank you. Have a nice day.